yini nangasinaka isikibha sami sinxuswe yiraji. Guys, ningibona nje ngilele kanje ngikhathele. And angijwayele ukuba live ngesikhathi ukuthi nje ngibhorekile, yabo. Hayi man. Ngiyaphila guys, njani? Yo, isilwane sangisi. Ngiphethe kungidala. Uyantethe uhlezi ukhona yazi wena. Awungilahli isosha. Yazi awungilahli uyaphezulu. Niyazi ukuthi ifoni yami mhlehle nje iphili isechajini. Oko. Hey guys. Nasibona lesi sincane esingathi siwumaskito kodwa asiwona umaskito. Lesi sincane. Yo. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngeke uzongilahle shame. Thank you Masiphula. Ngiyabonga. Le nje ngifakelana ingenake ngifake izinja la. Ngizoyisa kanjani? Isiphongo sami ngisibone sisikhulu namhlanje. Mikho ngifake inja. Njalo. Thank you ngele. Guys, wozani masijoineni lapha eFan Club. First things first. Fan Club. Upressa nje lo hathi lo. Oh, ngiyabonga siqabule. Bye bye ngele. Lo hathi orange nje upressa wona and then iyak-add. Ikulula nje, akudingi lutho. Ukupressa nje kuphela, uyacofa nje kuphela, icofo lo hathi orange uyak-add. Please guys, at least ke nibe u5 enzongenzela ke ngibe happy ngiyacela. At least nje nibe u5 kuphela. Guys, kanti njani? Ngicela nje na. Athi mfethu umusukuhleka mfethu ngicela ungipressela lapha. Ngiyabonga athi ngeRose kodwa ngicela ukuthi ungijoinele iFan Club yami lapha phezulu lapha. Pressa nje uhathi orange. How guys. Niyayenzi kanjalo. Upress uhathi orange lapha ujoin iFan Club. Sengiyacela ke. Hawu. Ngiyanikupa hle. Ngiyanikopera hello Sanele. Ngiyanikopera. Excuse me, data rights. Okay. No, mind guys, bengifunda message. Hey buhle, hey Sanele. Bengifunda message. Send your daily hearts museum, please. Ngicela ukuthi ubatshele guys, ngicela ukuthi ni-activate if seke wayijoina vele i-fan club, if seke wayijoina Hello Sonithi uya-activate phela everyday mongena ku-live uya-activate. Sanele ngikhwenya manje ubani manje nangisanda abantu abavele bangisendela ama-message engathi bayangazi yazi lento iyangistressa ngempela ngoba manje sekukosa ukuthi-ke ngingene ku-account yakho ngibone ukuthi uba kosa lokho kosa nje ngithi njalo and angingeneki uma ngiseselive kufanele ngibone ubani mfethu unjani angenzelele into elula. Thank you Lwandile. Angithi niyabona ukuthi uLwandile wenze njani futhi uthi ngimfollow uLwandile because uyalalela, he's a perfect example shame. Oh ngiyakfollowa vele kusho ukuthi vele wena Lwandile vele uhlezi wenza izinto ezi-right yikho ngikufollowa vele. Hello Thabo Thibos ngicela upress lapha uheart orange uno plus upressa nje wona bese kuyangena kulo ku-fan club. Ngiyacela Thabo Thibos bafethu namhlanje ngiyanicela ngizomncenga ngabantu by1. Katlego unjani Katlego mfethu ngiyabonga Alsh Katlego mfethu ungipressela loya love loya orange ku free nje akudingeki lutho ukuthi nje ujoin i-fan club guys akuzi ukukuthathela mali. Hawu ngidinga abantu abawu-60 abafethu yazi nina understand. Ingakhuluma ngize ngikhihliza amagwebu lakini ngiyabonga fuze lihle mashiya amahle ngathi azoshumayela ku-free wena Sanele yo ku-free lento le i-free pressa le heart orange eno plus bese uyangena. Sandi mfethu angidlali nje la ngi-serious namhlanje. Athi mfethu uzoblockeka ugade nje ulimi lakho. Ngiyabonga-ke wefuthi ngicela ukuthi upresse lo heart ko-orange ono plus khona uheart nje orange lapha phezulu ono plus ukuthi ungipressele wona kuno heart lapha phezulu. Hello Sipho ngicela ukuthi ungipressele uheart khona uheart ono plus lapha phezulu uheart orange. Mdumfethu eCape Town angazi umuntu eCape Town futhi angazi ngilibhadi kodwa kwamanje ngicela ukuthi ungipressela lo heart loya i-request ngizoyi-accepta mase ungipressele lo heart loya ono plus wegatsheni. Ngiyabonga wesicelo mfethu nawe ngicela ukuthi wenze njalo mfethu ngiyanicela ngiyanicela anguboni mina afika mfethu ish guys kunini uvela ngakuphi uheart lo orange engikhuluma ngawo mina uvela lana kuno heart niyabona lapho kunesithombe sami khona okubhale khona ukuthi Mandisa niyabona ni lapho obani invite niyabona lapho okubhale khona ukuthi Mandisa bese kwavela isithombe sami iginqiliza nje nesithombe sami indingiliza phezulu yihathi khona ihathi ke duze kwalapho ke enoblazi. Uma kuwukuthi ubusujoinile vele ayizi kuba noblazi angazi noma iba nawo noblazi kodwa nje angazi after pressing wena futhi izothi join fan club bese uyajoin. Yezwa nifuze mfethu mawusu icofile nje izothi join fan club. I think u1 coin mfethu I think u1 coin okay sengiyakhuluma akukho mali u1 coin ke kodwa hawu 1 coin icoin nje lilodwa akwenteki. Hayi bo Jobe mfethu Jobe kumele ukuthi kanti vele umuntu usekuyifan yakho uma ukuthi vele usuyifan mawupressa nje angeke izilokhu ikuyisa lena le kuzozenzakalela nje izinto. Danko Sibu mfethu uthi ngifollow mfethu. Danko Sibu mfethu Hawu! Danki Bongani. Exactly njengalabantu lapha. Uthi ngifollow Bongani ngingaze ngikhohlwe. Singifollow Shem. Oh mina Shem, abantu abangenzela okuhle. Angithatha isikhathi. Ngiyabonga Rorisang ngeRose mfethu weRorisang. Ngicela ukuthi ujoin ifan club yami lapha. Danko Alsha fethu. Danki futhi fethu. Niyabona ke manje. Yazini manje niza kahle ke manje ke nina ke. Nginifollow back futhi. Eva sithandwa sami. Danko Alsha singinifollow. Ukhona engingamfollowanga osend uhat me. Danki Rorisang. Angithi niyabo ilula lento le. Danki Eva. Guys, ngidinga abantu abawu-60 by the end of today. I need like 60 people. Sithandwa Eva. Thank you, my darling. Ukhona yini engingamfollowanga? Danki music face. Music. Ngicela ukuthi yabo lapha phezulu. Music, thank you. Ngithathe ngizokuchazela. Ningitshele uma kukhona engingamfollowanga Nkosi yami ku-fan club yami. Ningitshele nje. Ngiyawabona uThipia noma uba Thipia se-Dog Danko. Ngihlaba ufollow back same time. Angicicizike mase uyifan yami. Mawusujoyine nje ifan club yami angicicize. Thank you Troy. Angicicize how Troy shuthi wena vele sele wangenzela izinto ezinhle ngoba vele ngiyakufollowa kushuthi nje vele mina nawe siyithupha zokwayini shuthi nje. Ngiyabonga we-Innocent mfethu ngicela ujoin ifan club yami yazi ngidinga abantu abawu-60 nje namhlanje angazi ukuthi ngizobathathaphi Nkosi yami kodwa-ke besiku-21 sesiku-31 shuthi sekujoyina abantu abawu-10 niyabo ukuthi masingaqhubeka ngempela kulabantu ababukayo abawu-86 guys ningangisiza yazi kule nto le. Thank you Ultra, thank you Fuze. Esho njalo uma khona engingamfollowanga ujoin ifan club. Thank you music bathunina. Ngibonga job. Ungilalelisise yezo. Uyabo thank you njalo music ngiyabona. Uyabo lapha kuvela khona isithombe sami. Oh Kwanza let me follow you Kwanza. Wena Kwanza udeserve follow wena. And then you follow Shem. Angichitha isikhathi. Thank you music. Niyabonga nalabo abangifollowayo njalo guys ngiyabonga. It means a lot. Thank you Nokwanda Wendy. Thank you Stand. I love you too. Nthobisi kodwa phela ngisacela ukuthi ungiprovele la. Yes. Ungiprovele la. Oh, wena uya ngoba u-admin usuyiphinela ama-comment akho ngashongo. Usuyiphinela ama-comment akho ngashongo. Wow, dade bo wena. Angikho kodwa lapho dade bo wena. Okay. Niyabona khona uHati o-orange. KuHati o-orange ujoyina ifan club. KuHati o-orange ujoyina ifan club ngiyanicela. Ngiyabonga wesazi. Na indaba ephuthumayo sazi Ntuli. Khona uHati o-orange lapha eduze kwesithombe sami lapha egameni lami. Upress uHati ujoin ifan club. Thank you we cousin Sithembiso ngiyabonga. Sengifollowile we uyafezu. Sengifollowile. Jehova. Hello Lwazi. Guys ngiyanicela phela bakithi ongakenzi lokho ngicela ukuthi akwenze. Guys please just join my fan club bakithi. Uyajoyina nje ilula lento lena guys. Ngisejozi mfethu ngisejozi. Ilula lento lena. Lento lena nje upress uHeart lapha phezulu. Kuyazenzakalela after lapho. I-free futhi lento le. Then after what are your content in fan club? Ayikho i-content eku-fan club. I-content kuma-subscribers. Ema-subscribe-ni-ke imali-ke leyo. And mina angifuni ukuniphiphisa imali. Yikho nginijoyinisa nje fan club because it's one coin. Ukusubscribe I think u-R60 noma malini. So yilapho ngine-content. La angina-content just nje. Hawulwazi bakithi. That's OUJ. That's hi Brandon. Nawe wentando before nje ngithi mnxa senginomlomo. Thank you Patrick. Sengifollow. Patrick ngiyakufollowa vele. Kushuthi wena Patrick. Mina nawe sisonga vele. Okay. Nina ngiyanazi-ke. Mangithi ngiyaqala ngidlala imeshini yabaleka. Angazi ukuthi why nenza kanjalo. Like I do not understand.
Iti lagi.
Yes, Mandisa. Dango Mandisa. Let me see. So, I'm gonna do.
Bueno, hadis nalala masampura itu.
Yo, ayo cek saya terangin mata.
Okay,
Talus.
Hi, Mandisa. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good, man.
I'm
So
good.
basically, thank you. Firstly, I'd like to thank you for requesting.
Na boleh turun sini.
Secondly, my boy here, live so that he could get like a high normal because he's lonely, and I believe he's a bro. He's a very bro. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna sit back and then you guys can talk about that. Is that fine with you?
What?
As I mentioned, he's lonely.
Oh, lonely. Akuhambe yeba lonely le. Kude nami. Silala. Yeba lonely nje le. Utsho mama. Kumesh. Akayoba lonely nje le kahele. Hayi la. Habe yenze.
Hello.
Hello.
No, Nia, not this one.
How are you?
New one. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Oh, perfect, thank you.
Bangimsindo mlungu. Banganje umsindo siphe uhlekani. Bangimsindo mlungu. Hey, sekumele ukuthi first gift times 2 ke guys. Niyazi ukuthi isebenza kanjani. First gift times 2. I-gift ozoyisenda manje times 2. Abantu abangithanda ngempela ngicela bangisendela ama-first gift wabo. Abangithanda nje ngithanda lwangempela, uthando lweqiniso. Ngiyanazi-ke mina. Abelungu abanye banenhliziyo enhle yazi. Lokhu uqalile ulive nje uyasmile. Music. Thank you, music. Wangizama. Hayi ngeke bafana. Khathalekile. Music ngicofake iruze lotho. Akusizi ukukhuluma nawo wonke umuntu ngoba vele ngiyazi ukuthi angeniyenze leyo nto leyo. Thank you Lisa Khanya. Aziyazi manje ngincuma ngivele ngifile. Ngazi ngifile kanjani. Hawu ngifake iruze lodwa. 34, 33, 32, 31. Ngiyabonga wefuzi. Ngikho ngufolowile ngoba ingqondo nayo. Okay, ×3. Thank you, music. Guys, i-gift no-gift oyisendayo manje izoba u×3. U×3. Wafaka nje isigqoko lesi si-100 points siba u300. Thank you Fuze Fesu. Thank you Fuze Fesu. Niyabona ukuthi nangale bayalwa nangale. So ngicela ukuthi nezinto e-right. Ningangilisi. Yasenza manje kanje. Hey. Yaphela ke ibonus. Hey. Kodwa ke maswinile nje sengiphunga yena music. No. Hello, speaking. Hello, Ike. Sibura. Njani? Guys. Asepheni. Siyaphi lesicefe? Asepheni. Mongina i-gift nje, idla ngithepha. Umcebisi wazi ukulike nje, akasafake ngisho i-rose, cha umcebisi mfethu nje useless empilweni yami. Useless umcebisi, ngifuna ukutshela namhlanje. Ngize ngifihlele mina. Thank you Hendrik. Ungangibizi ngonana mina, ngisuntanga wakho. Thank you Hendrik. Sawona bra TikTok. Thapha guys, ngize ngithephe. Ish. I will snipe. Usnipe nda? Awusniping bo. Ukudlala ngami. Ngiyabonga, wasnipe ngempela. Thank you, mcebisi. Thank you. Singidlalele imatch yokugcina naye nezo bese siyaphuma. Sidlala nje yokugcina bese siyaphuma. Wena mcebisi ngicela ulungise ilayoni lapha. Ngicela ulungise nje ibhubesi. Lungisa ibhubesi. And usende ku ×3. Ungasendi manje lelo bhubesi lelo. Please uma ufuna ukuthi mina nawe sizwane. Ngidlali. Yabo kusesekuseni, ngikageza ngisho ukugeza. Ubani lokuthu useless, uyazazi wezwidi mfethu, uyazazi. First gift ×2. Ngiyabonga Hendrik, wangenzela iqiniso. Official yani. Hey. Official yani mcebisi mfethu. Ngitshela ngelion manje, ngitshela ngama official. Wozani ke guys. If ungenawo ama coin, idla ngithep. Now guys, mara ngiyenza so. Abantu bangabekho shame. But singathi ngeke ngabona umshengu evela. Ukuphinde wahamba. Official match angwadlala ama official match mina. Ngidlala nje ama match normal, ordinary. Ngiyabonga Sandile. Thank you. Hello Ghost. Energy ke namhlanje. Oh, thank you Paradox. Ngiyabona ukuthi ukhona. Awufake lama rose. awu-10 ngidinga ama-rose awu-10. Thank you music. Thank you music. Wena music mfethu impintshi yami wena. Thank you music. Ngiyabonga nawe Mcebisi. Cha usuyisivulile insuku. Faka-ke gcwalisa la kube u-10. Paradox uthe usukhona ngazi ukuthi ukhona nani-ke awuyi-proof. Ngiyabonga-ke Shongwe. Ngiyabonga music. Sekuzoqala u-times 3. Wena Mcebisi angifuni into yakho ukuthi uzosnipe. Ngicela ungene la ku-times 3. Ngicela ukuthi ufake la mase kuqala u-times 3. Ngalokho ngitshela ngokusniper nama-official match. Ibhubesi ngidinga ku-times 3. Or money gun nje ungijabulise hawo. Okay, usuqalile ku-times 3. Ngicela Mcebisi uvulele ifoni yakho le engasebenzi. Uvulele ifoni yakho engasebenzi le enye. Ehhe, uvule yona ke manje usudinga ama-coin a-serious. Yes sis. Hayibo. Nakho ngizoblock abantu. Hayi bafana khohlwanike. Hayi bafana khohlwanike. One day umshengu uzongibulala ngenhliziyo. One day umshengu uzongibulala ngenhliziyo ngizofa. Hayibo nina. No. Ngiphelelwe amagama ngazi ukuthi ngithini. Mshengu mfethu ngiyabonga yeza. Yo. Ma. Mcebisi ngithi uyabona ukuthi mangithi mina abantu kuyagifta ngisuke ngikhuluma ngento enjani. Angikhulumi ngendaba zama-rose. Ngikhuluma ngalento le mina. Lento oqeda ukuyibona manje for sure nawe amehla akho wakholo. Bese ungitshela lokhu ngitshela ngo-official match. Mshengu mfethu. Ngithungene la. La. Ngiyabonga mshengu mfethu ngiyabonga. Yazi uhlezi ukhona. Akusiko kuqala hawo noma bengathi bayasniper bazosnipanda. Ngeke abafana bakithi sisimulo.
This was so easy score. Come on, hello.
Nomlungu kanamazwi. Selokhu isinike into ngapheli bakithi.
Come on, you see how we lose very big? Sammy. فكرة كل اللي كبس من كل الأحوال. How is it?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you for the game. Bye.
Bye-bye. Mshengu mfethu. Thank you very much. Mcebisi mfethu vele ayikho nje lento atuyenza ke nje. Ayikho nje lento atuyenza yikho into engizokhalela kuyo. Ayikho nje into engizokhalela kuyo. Ayikho nje into engathi ngiyayikhala mangathi uyahamba sonje. Hamba yo so sala sincenga. Ngithe sendibhubesi ungifakela ufinger heart. Hamba yo. Hello Iki. Unjani Iki? Yeah. Mangena ku-TikTok nje ngihlezi ngizophuma ngijabule ngi-over the moon. Ungahleki sho ngayikho into ehlekisayo. Ungahleki nje. Hawu ike mfethu ubingelela kangaka kanti wena? Oh, futhi uyaphila, sorry. My bad. This bomb. It's just not a little bit. Hey, Minister Chudok. Hey. Khona abantu engiyabayiqondi nje la. Guys, but yeah. Hawu, ufuna ndo. Umuntu oyedwa. Guys, namhlanje ngiza ne-story time. Ngiza ne-story time ke namhlanje ke. Ngiyaphila the real. Hey Sushi. Hello everyone. Well guys, angithemba ukuthi asikakhohlwa njalo ukuthi siyajoyina lapha. Umamushi yini? Siyajoyina lapha i-fan club. Angikakhohlwa ngithi. Hayi ngithi angikakhohlwa. Anisajoyini solo nje ime ku-33. Anisajoyini nje. Why ningenza so? 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 Sorry guys, mina ngibuya ngikhohlwa ukuthi ngiku-live yes. Ngiyenza izinto ey'bheda.
Hello.
How are you?
Okay, how are you?
I'm good.
Also good.
Udlala imatch yini, darling?
For what? Mention. What is it for?
It's just a match. You'll see.
For?
Accept, you'll see.
For the don't give.
Usabona, Joe. The deligas.
What am I supposed to do again?
Just tell your friends to tap the screen. Send
Okay.
the gifts, yeah.
Okay, please tap the screen, guys. What's your name? You look cute.
Thank you, Mandisa. Guys, usani. Setepa. Now umuhle chom. Setepa. Niyazi ke ayibo guys asizodlula umuntu ungazi nanokuthi kudlala ama-match ningasedlala ngami nini.
So what's enough, man?
First gift times 2. Angithi
Oh.
kubhaliwe nakuwe lapho choma ngithi.
Wait, 1 view completed mission total. And that's
Kodwa bagiftela choma mos.
just by pretty game. Yeah.
Uzani guys, ayibo guys ngisana ngenza kanjani. Nina ningithandi nina kahle niyangipretendela nje ayikho into enje phela.
Good line. My sister. Ujab.
Yes. Ngiyabonga the real boss, the real blessed. Thank you agent. Yes, wena agent uza kahle wena agent.
Guys, let's see. Tap the screen. I don't know.
Yeah, tap the screen.
Hey, buddy, you tap the screen.
If una gift, tap the screen. If una ma coins, send ama gift. Kusiphi nje.
Shooting.
Thank you agent. Agent ifethu ngicela ukuthi ama rose awu 3.
Enza number 3.
Ibhalile ngithi lapho nakuwe ukuthi 3, 0/3. Mele basende ke. Thank you the real. Thank you agent.
Oh, please send 3 roses.
Should you rose A1 from a different person, guys? Just one from a different person, not agent and
All
not
from different people.
Yes, it's some from different people.
Okay.
Uzan
These name roses from different people. Shaka Z two.
give me shake one ngicabanga guys I rose yodwa we uy ukuthi ufakile rose mama ngifakile mfana wami. Okay.
Well, mina ngiyahleka fine. Okay, kahlekile. Please send roses guys for her.
Ngathi kuhlungu lento le. The real boss ngiyabonga yazi. The real boss ngiyabonga. Akhona take slow.
It's okay. Oh, okay.
Thank you, Uya. Thank you, Uya. Yabo uya ukuthi samfica ngicela ukuthi usende kenye ifinger heart yokugcina. Ngicebisa usebalekile.
Okay, please send tap the screen.
Thank you, agent. Thank you, Uya.
Guys, I'm gonna lose this thing. How do you
Guys, let her lose, mas. Ngisho uyaqala phela fundi. Uzani ke?
Okay, I'm lose.
Yes. Thank you, Ligma.
Ligma who?
Ligma.
Wow, guys, please don't let me lose. I
Please let her lose, guys. It's her first time. Please let her lose so that she can learn. She can put some more energy.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Thank you,
Ligma. Thank you, Ligma. Thank you for your time. What's that? This side.
Yazini. Guys, how perfect ungaluzi kanjalo nje guys. Kanjalo nje.
Uzowina mara.
Ama strict one no times 2 uzonyamalala.
Times 2 ayini.
No win times 2 olapha phezulu lapha.
Oh.
No uzongithathela lama strict lawa. Wena kuyizothi times 1 kimi ithi 0.
Oh, sorry my sister. Excuse me. Thank you for the gift. Okay, Pera, let's.
Thank you, please, guys. Let's put some more fire.
Thank you.
Yeah, guys, ngihlule usniper 146. Ngihlule usniper 146. Thank you,
Sniper.
Luthando.
Thank
you, Luthando. Ngiyabona chami. Thank you, Luthando. Thank you so much, Luthando. Ngiyabonga kakhulu yazi Luthando first. Ngazile ukuthi ngihlule ukusniper. Lokhu ngane kabi lakini.
Ngiyabona kwawinaki. I'm happy.
Ngiyabona ukuthi ku izi kanjani ke mhlali match.
Yeah, just need to tell your people, please like.
Please like, please what nje.
That's fine.
Uthi ngidlale nawe imatch yokugcina yisho bese ngiyakushiya.
Ngizathu kwamukela please like.
Yo.
Ngiyasha nje ile ilanga futhi.
Okay guys, senibonile ukuthi akukho nzima kangako decide.
I have an order. Hey. I have an order from Checkers 60 cabanga.
How?
And I was not sending anything, but they will call me if they're sending.
You cross?
Not really, ice cream. There's a sale.
Oh, ice cream le enkulu.
Magnum. White.
Oh. Okay, chomu nemali muswena. Uthenga ama Magnum. Ngithengele nami.
Uzothatha.
Kuyasiza ukuthi ngizothatha. Ngisasa ngempela uswana.
Uzothatha mama Magnum.
Okay.
Please like.
Wena mcebisi wena.
Mcebisi.
Omunye nje umfana isicefe nje somfana ngathi
Uzopay for the ice cream. Oh.
Okay, umcebisi mara. Like ufuna ukuzifihla ngami. Kampela.
Namanga Chomi.
Ngiyakuhlebela Chomi, ngiyakuhlebela.
Oh, uyenzenjani ukuthi okay?
Long story Chomi. Oh. Mara nawe mangambona nje, signs are there.
How?
Okay guys, we need 10 roses.
Keep an ear for the doorbell. Okay. My order has arrived. Okay, please like. We only left it 3 minutes. My order's here. Yeah.
10 roses, guys. 10.
I'm going to share my roses. 10. From different people.
No, there it's from you. Okay. How?
Please, 10 roses.
We'll send it that time. It's 10.
When I get to finish, I'm my snipers.
Yeah, so a sniper, hala.
That's not a fake game.
It's a fake game, too.
No.
It is fair, just that nele ube.
Hey.
Yeah.
I'm busy as pork.
Thank you, Karen.
What you got to do as pork? Umcebisi.
Ayi uyasiphoqa ngalento ayiyo.
Yenzayo pho.
Hawu, ngeke.
Yeah, ne? Hey, please, like.
Thank you, Boma. Guys, ngiyalinge ngitshela ukuthi ngizodliwa. Boma, thank you, inkosi yama.
I'm telling you, you're not gonna lose because you're my sniper.
Yeah, Shem.
Thank you, Snotile.
Thank you, Boma.
Please, guys, long time I don't know what sniper is one. So, what's a sniper? If 30 seconds.
Thank you.
Go.
Poman, yabonga, Poman.
Yamuzwa.
Mara yo quality ya camera yako inhle asebenzisa iphi phone. Thank you, Poman.
15 Pro.
Mama. 13 Pro.
15 Pro.
Wena kudala ngisho ukuthi unemali.
Yes, I'm not, man. I swear to God, I'm not. I'm broke. I'm broke.
60 jiki une 15 Pro.
Yeah, she is almost. Oh, she said, Robin.
Like yeah,
Look at me, my nails are not done. Your nails are done.
My nails, Madin. Less than 300.
Wait.
Oh yeah, on the posting club. Guys, on the club.
Yes.
Everything you said, no roses.
We have snipes.
And fakama rose on the club. And fakama gift. Yo. Ulmoshil. No roses. Olani. Ama rosa buladi klavu.
Hey, I told you my drive is here. If I didn't, oh yeah, I won. Love you, sweetheart. Next time, ne? Let me
follow you back, Chom, so that I can see more live.
So that to send the malo. Hey, the monkey. Couldn't send the challenges. I'm a match.
Send a match,
Abantu bamabana my coins.
Ayibo, nakho basidla laba sidla ngama 100 points.
Basurprisile ke shem.
Bese usiya.
Okay.
Akunama coins.
Let me.
Okay, sharp, Chom, milandi order ne.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Let me follow you back. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Haven't had one class like a god. Like low key haven't had a own class. A family meeting, you get a soy bamba manch. A family meeting in Funuti Bambin, Jinga manch. Nang is I-family meeting esizoyibamba njengamanje ngicela ukuthi wonke umuntu alilalele ngezindlebe. Ngicela ukuthi silaleleni ngezindlebe. Guys, before ngiya kuma-match nezwa, if aninakho ukudlala ningitshele ukuthi cha asinalutho ungadlali. Ngingithi ngidlala kunokuthi ningihlaze emazweni. Niyini enithanda ukwenza kanjalo? Yini ningasho before ngijoyina ama-match nisho ukuthi cha asinalutho asinakho ukudlala musu kuya kuma-match sibuke nje kanje. How join? Thank you ama-dope boys. How doyen mfethu wafanisa abantu abangafani ke manje doyen mfethu. Niyangitshela guys ukuthi yekela indaba yama-match ngoba thina ngeke nje siyenze leyo nto leyo. Ngiqale ngamcela guys, ngicela ukuthi nijoin i-fan club yami. Kwajoyina abantu abawu-14. Not even 14, 13. Excuse me. Hayi qiniso. Only 13 people joined. 13 people. Bonke amanye nje abajoyinile. Let me see if I can see my fan club. Okay, nginabantu abo-34. Bongani, Uya, Mr. Soul, Ushongwe, Rwandile, Utroy, 100. Sbusiso, Gift, Utabo, Bongani, Victorious, Uyahleka, Pia, Uspe, Usosha, Uspelele, Utim, Uforex, Udavin, Empty Munch, DC, Mr. Bishop, Paperboy, Mfosendia, Uspio, Usabelo Skinny, Scoop Vundla, Mandla, King, Utungamanzi, Yiva, Uhalala, Ungelengele, Patrick, King David, Alicia, Uzo Wells, Uqaniso Biela, Usurprise, Umuli, Ucrazy Company, Umchunu, Ngancethezi, Usifiso, Usimpiwe, Usini himself, Prince, Unkosi, Prince K, SGF, Usenzo Smelane, Utune, Usatane, Mr. Fine, Zonia, One Love, Ukoni, UKG, Piano Player, Umtobisi Kuzayo, Gamaneka, Zamokwai, Kietapelo, Nkazimulo Spusiso Tyson German. Ay, wangiphazamisa ke nangumuntu. Spo.
Mandy guy.
Hayi.
Ngiyaphila.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila umhlanga ngapha kwenzelani ngawo?
Ngiyabonga.
Yini siswenze njani? Kwenze njani namhlanje vena?
Ngiyabonga.
Jova incane. Hayi, kunzima Nkosi. Hayibo. Univela fika afika nodoli nkosami wa TikTok. Ngeke umuntu pha nodoli lo.
Hayibo, angiyena unodoli.
Boss bamhlenge ngaka. Uhlala phi?
Ngihlala Durban.
Yo, alikhulithe Nkosi yami. Bona bahlala Durban. Ngiyacanga ukuthi inkulu Durban la uhlala khona. Where about? In Subaris. Ungayisho exact location.
Ngeke ngikwazi ukusho mfethu.
Ungayisho exact location. Akho safe.
Akho safe.
Yeah, maningi abantu baromnyango. If ever uhlala eDurban, uhlala eDurban kaMasho, eMlazi, Nanda, Claremont, wherever. Or in town.
Na khona lokho ngiyakusaba because ish.
Still not safe. Intuzi is a big place. Number sections. Umla number sections.
Mangisho ukuthi semlazi sebezoqala ukubheka ama-video yabo babone ukuthi okay. So
Okay. Then I get a point. Sengiyakuzwa manje. No, it's okay, sis. Okay. Don't stress. Ngikuzwile mina.
yeah. Ngibona
Ngikuzwile.
invite.
Excuse me. I mean ngu-invite-ini. I mean ngu-invite-ini. Just wanted to have a chat with you.
Oh, sweet.
And
Nice.
know each other. Where you from and what you doing and so on, right? Nothing much.
Okay. Sidlala. Wish you guys. Sengikhathele ukulala ngesisu. Mara mina ngicharge ifoni. Impilo yami. Impilo yami. Impilo yami nzima. Akufundwa wesibolobolo, akufundwa fesu. Sisidlaleni, mangalungi la masidlala. Singidlale noZoom mhlambe nje yazi. Awu. Ngathi ngizonishiya we guys. Ngizobuya nezo. Afuna ukuthi ngingahambi akanginqonde ngemanigani. Ngihambi. Papa yini? Ofuna ukuthi ngingahambi akanginqonde ngemanigani. Ngihambi. Papa yini? Ofuna ukuthi ngingahambi hello Mpumi. Ofuna ukuthi ngingahambi akanginqonde ngemanigani. Papa yini? Ofuna ukuthi ngingahambi akanginqonde ngemanigani. Ngihambi. Ngiyalala. Ofuna ukuthi ngihambi akanginqonde ngemanigani. Ofuna ukuthi ngihambi akanginqonde ngemanigani. Nifuna ngihambe shem papa yini. Papa yini nesi. Isiyobonana. Ngiyikhathi late ngizoba live. Yes. Love you loads. Love you. Mbuyile we guys. Guess what? Lo mntana bethu uEva. Ungibuyisile. Thank you 0108. So ngibuyisile ke.
Hey Fenza, you wanna marry me, ne? Ntsongkhopotse. Well, what were you doing earlier, Vel?
It's just nje. Besahla lusingele imingu.
You look bored. Why?
I am bored. I want to sleep. That's because of you.
Scream.
Because of you.
Make it sing.
Oh, ngisabheka igift gallery yami yaze yaba dry. Yaba lento yokuhlala ungabi live for days. Ooh. My delivery. Let's busy. Vela abantu bamsangoma.
Is it food? Oh. Thank you for liking.
It's sneakers, baby.
Soft life problems.
Nice life problems. I don't wanna solve them. ngizobonisa ama-sneakers wami guys ne nezwe ngoba phela mina
Oh, the light is bad.
ngihamba nani guys niyangazi maseke ngihamba nani
Galaxy Boyland kuita so much. Kabodi. Ndita fa body sandal. Ndaro yasirisa so fa. Che warninga ngomu dobo jena kabodi. Yasirisa so. Oh. Okay. That's not good situation. I see. Man, ndo zo like body abe hapa no. Oh, okay. Guys, man.
What's that if
Nothing.
ngiyakubuza just a question.
I can take a sip.
But why ungafaki image wena Eva mara
Because what the mother magazine then okay
mara
in
still
public.
I can operate.
Nakarola the big.
Hey, mucho no ven, ne?
Nakatinga kinali smoke.
Bayadelela bantu.
You?
But handsome. Ni handsome me. Ni handsome now. I'm allergic to the sun. Sit Livera. Hello. How are you? I'm good. Mandisa.
Oh, thank you for the follow. Thank you so much. Also, I can appeal a mood. That's what. Thank you, Santile. Put the roses. Also, appealing in me. What they eat. Santile, thank you for the follow. Thank you so much. I just activate the touch. Thank you, Santile.
I'm a taxi cash, man.
Guys, let's send a rose, guys, or 10 roses. Guys, let's send a rose or 10 roses, guys. 10 roses, guys. 10 roses. What a rose, guys.
I see them again.
Guys, 10 roses or a rose. Ha! Soft life problems. You're enjoying yourself, man.
Guys, abantu bazothi and gift okay. Ngiyibonise le ekilamshini. Angihlali kanjalo.
Because I win.
Thank you, Darcy. Chapo bandile bangikhiphela ingoma.
Yeah, thank you for the daughter. I tried fixing it, not working.
How do I? Okay.
Thank you for the rose. Very much.
Ngize ngiyeke umkhomela shame. Ngize ngiyeke. I won't stop. I won't stop now. I won't stop.
Sandile, thank you for the double tap. Thank you so much. Bangiqhubela katlhako tse dintšha guys. La bona mara. Ngiyabona guys. Ngiyabona.
I'm just a girl. Ngizonibekaphi? Yo, ngizonibekaphi ke? Yes. Ngibeke la. Okay. Angifuna ukuhlala masishap.
Oh, thank you so much, guys.
What the hell?
Wow, that's cute.
What the hell? Nina!
Guys, what the happy overload.
Ngiyabona ke guys. Ngiyabona. Ndivezile Mosi. Yeah.
Thank you, Sandile. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Smelling to say Islam. Look, you said Islam.
That's losing. No, I'm losing. Oh yeah, I won. Ah, thank you. That was a snipe. Snipe. And I thought you were gonna be live as. Thank you, Santile. Thank you, Tevatso. Thank you to my MVP. Thank you so much. There's another match. Really, what? Thank you. Thank you so much. Eh?
Wow. Yo guys, go.
Yeah. Hectic. Oh, okay. We gotta play a lot of. I don't know how many games, so yeah, we're gonna play. I don't know how many games, but let's try, guys. The first gift is times 2. You have to play on the times 2 Uguti. This is the double. And it's they send a big gift on the times 2. The first gift is times 2.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, the first gift is times 2.
Guys, angithola amasokisi. Hey, ngokuhamba nje 2 minutes. Angisalike. Okay. Amasokisi angazi ukuthi ngiyagqokile. Manje are there somewhere here? Oh, I'm dark, but nginganaki ukudaka. Yo, etekene elisha mara. Wangenza so.
Thank you for sharing that live. When I need to happy up.
Ngihappy yani mina. Mara. Ay mara zongihlupha ke lawa. Ngokumechisa. Ish. Azongihlupha.
But it's cute though. It's cute.
Yeah, thank you. I know. Okay, just beginning. I'm a Snickers one.
Thank you so much.
Mase sengizohlala la ngihleli khona yasi.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Singoba besenda ama-gift the time ngingekho yazi. Ish. Le phone izongicimela. Mangacharge. Okay guys, so
oh, yaring guys. But I have a glove that belongs to you, I think. Couldn't use it. Apparently I have to use it on you when you're playing. Apparently. Just weird. So when you play, I'll send you your glove. Alright. Guys, all I need is sound now. Like all I need is sound, guys. My ring is a little better. Oh, there's not okay. Thank you. And guys, these are kind of crystal rose. These are kind of crystal rose. Thank you, Tibatsu. Thank you so much. These are kind of crystal rose. Sifang network ya so good sana.
sengibuyile-ke guys. Yo! Eva, ngathi kusemele ngirestarthe i-live yazi bahambile labantu. Yes.
Hectic. Okay, no problem.
Ngiyabona ukuthi bakufaka nama-perfume ngapho. Guys, laba basele please. Ngidlala le match and then ngiya-restart ne?
Tibatsu, thank you so much.
First gift times 2. First gift times 2.
Maybe go to Carlos live.
Yeah, sure. Mara, yo, ibonile match mayidlala. This other guy, like I had 14,000 points.
Oh, when? When?
Just now, nje. The time being live.
So no ba't ko pinibun kinilam? Ngiyakwazi phela.
Umshekwa kasekho uhambile yazini. Must tap in, guys. If I want a gift, tap at least. And tap in, tap 14 people. No. Hey, Maqhawe. Maqhawe, ngicela ufaka my gift. Kufuneka 10 roses.
Guys, what is this pink thing? Guys, 10 roses. Or a rose.
10. Yeah, kumele ngirestart live ayikho lento.
Guys, 10 roses. Thank you, Tibatsu.
Why so, Mara? Why so? Thank you, Alush. Shem. Alush, you are the only person alive. Alive. You are the only person alive, Alush. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, Kusiami, it's a girl. Batung. Thank you, Tandwa. St. Izio no moya. Oh. Udlula abafana bawu-13 people. Ngiyazi ukuthi nje abafana bonke labo bawu-13 bahlezi bakhamisile. Thank you, Alush, my baby girl. Umfana ufake icherry yakhe. Yo. Stop, Alush. No, Alush is a girl. Thank you, Alush. Thank you, Alush. But see, when days are dark, friends are few. Got Alush. Ukhona. Selukhona. Ngisho yabo. And if mangiphuma la ngi-restart live, ungasali udlala ama-match. Angifuni ukubona ithi on a live match. Yo. Stop. Shikisha. Thank you, Shikisha. Guys, asisniping 100. Yeah, mele ngithole enye ifoni ngizigift shem. Ngiyengidliwa yabo Eva so mina. Ngeke.
Hi. Thank you for the double taps, guys.
Yiphi konje tete ngisho amavela mfethu.
Guys, let's lift up the gift gallery. Everyone get at least this time. Everyone, one thing, Jack Pell from the gift gallery.
Thank you, Alush. Niyazi na Alush singfollow futhi angazi ukuthi ngihlaleleni shem. Ngazi nje ukuthi why ngislow. Ngiyabonga baby. When friends are dark, wena ungishisa into engekho wena amavela. When days are dark, when days are dark, friends are few.
Guys, thank you so much, MVP. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
MVP Alush yena
MVP.
Ngiyabonga ngena kuma power tappers bakithi. Mavela ngicela ukuthi ugift mfethu. Uye kungishisa into wrong.
Hi, Bayanda.
Thank you, latest iPhone.
Thank you for the double taps. Thank you so much. Thank you for the Rosa. Thank you so much. Thank you for the Pablo.
Latest.
Thank you so much.
Alushi, my baby. Alushi, latest iPhone. Thank you, guys. Thank you, my people.
Live magic, so there's no way that you can join.
Thank you, latest.
There's no way that you can join.
Thank you, latest. Thank you, dear media. Thank you, latest.
That's right. That's the munch.
Kunini ngidliwa ile ntombazane.
I was lying.
Ngiyabongani guys, yes. Thank you so much. Yo, latest. Let's up Rosa in Mandisa's gift gallery. Mwah. Thank you. Thank you, D-Media. D-Media or D-Media. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Guys, let's play, guys. I was like, 1 rose, but 10.
How? So hambelan manje Alusha's 10. Guys, I need 10 roses. Just
Or
10.
a rose, guys. 10 roses or a rose.
10, 10, 10, 10, 10.
Guys, 10 roses or a rose, guys.
Thank you,
10
Demedia.
roses or a rose.
Thank you, Demedia. Masimboniseni lo girl. Thank you, Alush. Yes.
Guys, 10 roses or a rose, guys. 10 roses or a rose. Thank you, Tomato. Thank you so much. Guys, let's play the time soon.
Okay, guys, now it's times 2. Anything you send is going to be times 2. Anything enjoy fagayo.
Go back, winner. Go back. Thank you. Thank you, Tomato. Thank you, Tomato. Thank you so much. Botini, Doc. Botini. Thank you, Tomato. Thank you so much.
The media team.
Thank you, Tomato. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Demedia. Yeah. Ish bazongixosha kule rest. Le rasa enyenzayo. Thank you, Demedia. Thank you, Demedia.
You had smoke when you were playing with me. Kulmangani. What is this person talking about? Dude, this is... I think you're talking to the wrong person.
Thank you, Demedia. Thank you so much.
Mandisa. Did you play with a person called Zukanye P? I feel like this person is talking to you. We are playing a 3-way. Me, you, and Lusa. I don't remember.
Thank you, sister.
I can't even see your profile. Did I ask? It wasn't me. I don't play 3 ways.
Guys, that's a sniper. The media, please be ready to snipe.
I don't play 3 ways. I don't play 3 ways.
Be ready to snipe back. If by a sniper, be ready, please. By a time to snipe. That's over. We sniper.
I don't play 3 ways. I remember playing 3 ways day 1. I don't know. Guys, let's send a rose, guys. A rose.
Okay, the media. But thank you, ne? Thank you for the support, you. You tried.
You had smoke when you were playing with me.
Guys, I'm sure the aim is to take a masterix level. The times 3. I'm going to 0. Yo.
Send a rose. Send a donut. Send a donut.
Even a donut is you still need 3 points more.
A donut is 30 points. It's 30 points, ain't it?
Yeah. No. Don't send it.
Send a donut, guys.
Send the donuts in see. Mara eat drums, like.
I see. So another person will double tap and then it will show a difference in it. Guys, let's play.
Yes, Sugaleza. Sniper, Sugaleza, far more.
Yeah. Guys, see this. Thank you so much. Guys, another one. Damn. Got 1 point. Thank you. No, thank you so much. Video so. That's heart attack. When you're competition, heart attack. It's heart attack.
Thank you to my MVPs. The
Yo,
media, iPhone,
1 point, guys. 1 point. 1 point, guys.
Special.
Here's a heart attack. That's a heart attack.
1 point, Baguette. Sorry, boo.
Guys, let's part out the screen. Let's part up.
Yeah. Guys, I don't know why.
Guys,
thank you.
The first gift is Samsu, guys. Thank you for the double taps. Thank you so much. The first gift. Thank you so much. Guys, the first gift is Samsu. Antonio, welcome back. Guys, the first gift is Samsu,
Yeah.
Thank you, Antonia. Thank you so much.
Guys, the first gift times 2.
Guys, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for the rose. Thank you, Antonia. Thank you, Do. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Do. Thank you so much.
Hi, Tissue.
Guys, let's play. Guys.
If we
I said Antonio.
If we send them times 2, base about 20 points.
Antonio. I said
Yes,
Antonio.
thank you so much. Masmele times 2, and then we send again euros.
Guys, let's play on the times 2. Let's play on the times 2. Why are you doing that to me? Let's play on the times 2, guys. Guys, 2 roses from 2 different people.
2 roses.
Yeah, 2 roses from 2 different people, guys. Guys, 2 roses from 2 different people, guys. Another rose, guys. Another rose. Thank you so much. Thank you, Antonio.
2 roses, guys.
Thank you so much.
2 roses. Ngivala amehlo le ngavula nje engikho. 2 roses.
Guys, times 2. Let's play on the times 2, guys. Let's play on the times 2. Thank you so much, Antonio. Thank you.
You should have sent
Guys,
that.
let's play. Thank you, Do. Thank you so much. Thank you, Antonio. Thank you so much. Guys, let's play on the times 2, guys. Let's play on the times 2. Thank you, Do. Thank you so much.
Oh, Gafa, my friend, how are you? Thank you, Sokalezwe. Gafa, please help me, my friend. Please, I'll come to your live as well. Just help me on this one.
Thank you, Do. Thank you so much.
Gafa, my friend. I know you can hear me, friend.
Okay,
Just help me on this one.
guys. Oh, I said it doing that, then they sent it doing it.
You even leveled up, Gafa. Thank you, Sokalezwe.
Guys,
Wow,
let's play.
Sokalezwe, you too, you leveled up. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Gafa and Sokalezwe. Okay, now, Gafa, you need to snipe, Nji. Just snipe and then
Thank you for the double tap. Sorry,
all is well.
Tuarelo.
Thank you, Gafa. Thank you, Sokalezwe. Chomikana umupedi or umutswana or umusotho or umu.
Nah. Ke motswana. Ai, it's a lo sa tip.
I can tip.
Ke motswana, serious.
I can tip.
Why is that tip?
Ngiyadala nje kuyakufanele ukuba umtswana vele. Thank you. Amatswana ama smooth talkers, are smooth. Yeah, even Nestswana, I feel like I see smooth.
Yeah.
Ngisho nina nikhuluma botsheni. Nah,
Thank you, though. Thank you so much.
Nina nikhuluma bo soft.
Oh, yeah. I need you to.
Thank you, Sokalezwe. Sokalezwe, make sure we don't lose. Sokalezwe, make sure we don't
Guys, they
lose.
can snipe this. Thank you, though. Thank you so much. Guys, they can snipe this. Guys, they can snipe this. Oh my gosh, guys, they can snipe this. The hell.
Sokalezwe.
Though, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bandiza bani. Oh, Sokalezwe bese khona ngeke ngidliwe bafana bami khohlwane. Umlilo omncane uIva umlilo omncane. Umlilo omncane. Umlilo wamaphepha. Thank you, Sakalezwe. Thank you so much.
Guys, let's double tap this video. Where's my thingy? Yeah, people left me alone in the desert. Guys, let's pray.
Mandi sela sehlangana khona mpela umuntu konqamuka mabili. So Mthabela, thi ngikuculele yona le ngoma le. Ithi la sehlangana khona konqamuka amathaba. Mshana, inkonzo yathando. Kazi phela yisithi lami lokuzenzela nini ngoba lokuthenga liyashesha ukuphela. Katsini. Katsini. Itsini manje. Katsini. Umuntu ongafuni ibe intombazana yenze njani? Akayeki. Akushela baza baphila inyanga amadolo kanyo. Ngithuke nadala ubebe ngithukutha. Yey bafana bayithi ngishebeni nomcabazi ukuthi nimtshela ukuthi ngithe my heart is like fire of promises. But wabuya dala ubebe if uyangibuka ngithi liyabo lo mntana ngcono mangilive nabelungu shem yazi ngiba free. Yazi ngiba free. Hayi. Najabo
Alright.
Uyangiqoma wena Thile. Cela lena ethi kuya jeopardize intombi zamabhungu. Oh, ithini manje le ithini? Ithi asehleni bafana bayithi kulo December sejeopardize intombi zalabo bangihlanga. Kulo December siyo. Oh, ithi asehleni bafana bayithi kulo December sejeopardize man. Ithi angithi Eva Manik.
Okay, so ka go mute. It's fine. Ka go mute. It's fine. Ka go mute. Please double tap the screen. Ka go mute.
Bafana bayithi kulo December siyo kukhuluma umuntu. Kulo December sejeopardize intombi zalabo bangihlanga. Isithini?
Guys, please double tap the screen.
Jeopardize intombi zalabo bangihlanga
Maybe just losing because
yebo ezethusazona. Usithini? Ngikhumbuze lapho Tyler B.
unfortunately I can't double tap my own screen, so
Session bafana bayithi lo December
Sensila, let's part tap this
lo December sejeopardize intombi zalabo bangihlanga ezethusazona. Asizi kuyijeopardize bafana bayithi sayizenkoroza. Hayi, bathi yini umthengo wempuphu nje? Hayi, ngithenga ekhaya ngithenga egoli. Yazi guys, kumnandi ukuba umZulu sometimes. Kumnandi. Ngasenquthu kwelabashoko bezi kanti umqhuma ngegugu.
Guys, let's play. Since banking needs, la bona go ka loser mara. Oh guys, la bona ka loser mara. I can't.
Eva.
Wait. Huh?
Yazi le ngoma lethi Violina Catherine.
Why?
Mara wena awenzi awulip sync shem yazini wenza nje ushuthela ama video wakho nje. Especially
I will yes soon. I will lip sync soon. Yes. It's just that exams have been hectic.
Tiwani bathini? Na exam. Ufunda phi wena Eve?
Okay, Katlale Eunice.
If you don't mind.
Eunice.
Oh, bese seniqalile ukubhala already?
Yeah, it's October, November.
Like then.
Yeah.
Yo. Why early so?
Ratela bophelo la re fetse. It's okay, life goes on.
Bagithi she. Sorry. After line ya restarter Eve. Now we restarter nje vele.
Sharp. Guys, thank you for double tapping. Thank you so much. I'll even charge it. Leo, thank you so much.
Okay guys, ngiyabuya nezo angihambi. Ngiya-restart, ngiyabuya. So that some viewers will come back. Bye bye, Nesu.
Bye guys.